How to deactivate Facebook page. If you want to take a break, then you can deactivate your Facebook page. In this quick tutorial, I will guide you step-by-step process to deactivate Facebook page. First of all, click on your Facebook application. Make sure you are logged in and also make sure you are using the updated version. Now click on these three horizontal lines, and here you have to make sure that you have selected the page that you want to deactivate. Now click on this arrow and select the page that you want to deactivate. Now it's switching from your personal profile to your Facebook page. Now here we are. Now again click on these three horizontal line. Now click on this gear icon. It will take you to the setting. Now click on page setting and slide down. Now Facebook page and information, you have to click on access and control. Select on deactivation and deletion. Now here you can deactivate the page. It will ask you to write the password, and once you write the password, it will deactivate your account temporarily. This can be temporary. Temporarily your Facebook account will be disabled and your name and photos will be removed from the most things you have shared. So make sure you have read the instructions. Click on continue, and here it is asking to write our password, and once you have write your password, then your Facebook page will be temporarily deactivated. If you want to activate your Facebook page, you can see my other tutorial in my profile. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, then click on like button and subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.